Dreaming of working in the USA? The H1B visa is your golden ticket, but applying from India can feel overwhelming. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step H1B visa process in 2025, from eligibility to stamping, so you know exactly how to apply. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more visa tips. What is H1B visa? The H1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that lets US-taught companies hire skilled professionals. It requires at least a bachelor's degree and is one of the most popular visas for Indian tech, finance, and healthcare professionals. It even offers a pathway to permanent residency. Eligibility: a valid job offer from a US employer, relevant education or equivalent experience, an employer who's willing to sponsor you, and an approved labor condition application, LCA.
Step-by-step process.
Step 1. Employer registration. Employer registers your details with USCIS. Registration fee, around $215. Step 2. H1B lottery selection. If selected, you move forward. If not, you wait for next year.
Step 3. Filing petition, Form I-129.
Employer files petition with supporting documents. Accuracy is key to avoid delays or RFEs, requests for evidence. Step 4. USCIS review. USCIS checks everything. If approved, you get Form I-797, Notice of Approval. Step 5. Stamping in India. Schedule your embassy consulate interview. Carry all documents, passport, I-797, job offer, certificates. Prepare well for the interview questions. Costs in 2025. Here's a breakdown of the H1B visa fees in 2025. Registration fee, $215, paid by employer. Petition filing, $780, employer. New one-time fee, $100,000 for new petitions, employer. Premium processing, $2,805, optional. Visa stamping and travel costs vary, usually paid by the applicant. Tips to succeed. To boost your chances, start early and keep all documents accurate. Choose reliable sponsors. Be prepared for RFEs and respond quickly. Practice for the visa interview. Stay updated on US immigration law changes. Final words. The H1B visa is competitive, but with the right preparation and employer support, it's achievable. Follow these steps, avoid common mistakes, and you'll be on your way to building a successful career in the US. For personalized guidance on your H1B application, visit Immivoyage.com. Link in the description below.